y'all, it's Bree Journal. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I organize my mini pantry and fridge. This is my unorganized mini pantry, and I'm just going to start off by cleaning everything out with my Mrs. Meyer's soap. And if you guys are new here, then please consider subscribing. I do organizational videos and vlogs, so if that is content that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and leave a comment if this is content that you enjoy watching. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to wash all of these containers, and then I'm going to come back with you when I'm ready to take everything out. So the first step that I'm going to do is take everything out. I'm mainly going to be organizing just the second to top row, and the bottom row is pretty much organized to the best of my ability. So I'm just taking all the cans out, and then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put them in their containers. This is the finished look. I have everything in the containers ready to go. So I'm going to start off and put the pasta containers in the back just so that I can reach them, because I don't go for them as often as I do these other containers. And the top containers, I got these from Target, so I'm going to have these linked down below for you all. And it wasn't a lot of room, so I ended up having to stack them on top of each other, but ended up working perfectly. And for this can holder, I was disappointed because it does not fit. It's way too long. I thought I measured it, but yeah, so I'm going to have to return those back to Amazon, and I'm just going to have to put everything out on its own. So this is the finished product of my mini pantry, and then I'm going to move on to my fridge to organize. And yeah, it needs a lot of work. So all of these containers I got from Amazon. I got some that were in a set, like this egg container and the can holder and 3 other containers. So I'm going to have that link below. And an egg came broken, so that messed up my vibe. But then I'm going to put everything else in this container and then organize it in the fridge. So I'm going to go in and wash my fruits, like my grapes and my blackberries, and I'm going to use the Trader Joe's wash. I really like this, so if you have a Trader Joe's that's close to you, then I definitely recommend picking up their vegetable and fruit wash because it works really well. So I'm going to wash it with that and then rinse it off and put it in its containers. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Everything is going to be linked down below. If you guys aren't subscribed, then go ahead and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.